If I swipe down, you see how my notification panel looks different and it looks very similar to what we have in Windows 11. If you are really searching for a way to customize and change the entire look of your quick settings, then you can install an application called Windows 11 Control Center. Once done, simply allow all the basic permissions that is required and then turn it on. Now whenever you swipe down, you get this beautiful Windows 11 style control center. If you want, you can change the tiles color. You can also change the background wallpaper and add more toggles to your quick panel. All in all, it's a great application, and for the price of free, you should definitely check it out. That's how I will be showing you 8 amazing Android applications for this month. I will also be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. With that being said, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. The next app on this list goes by the name called Speechify. This basically converts any text to speech and helps you by reading out a text, document, book, email, or an article on your phone. So let's say if you're reading an article but you prefer someone else to read it out for you, then all you have to do is just click on share and look for Speechify. It will ask you whether you want to listen now or later. If you tap on listen now, it directly opens the app and it will start reading out the article for you. You can also control the speed. Let's say if you want to read it faster, then you can do that. The best part is it also lets you import files from your local drive or cloud, and then you can have them read it out for you. AudioTube is an amazing application that lets you play any videos in the background. If you are a person who doesn't have YouTube Premium, then this is an app that you should definitely download. Once you open up the app, simply search for a song you would like to play in the background, and it gives access to all the YouTube videos in the search result. Just select the video you want to play and it starts playing in the background. The app is totally free to download, it doesn't have any subscriptions, and it is completely ad-free. Definitely check this one out. Links to all the applications will be listed down in the description. Guys, before I move on, if you love watching these kind of videos, then please do support this channel. We are very close to 200k subscribers. So if you haven't already, then hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. It would mean a lot to me. If you really want to know from where I got this beautiful wallpaper that I have set up on my home screen, then there is an app called Wallberry which recently launched, and it has a collection of more than 500 unique handcrafted wallpapers that will make your home screen stand out. There are a lot of different categories that you can choose from, and these are exclusive high quality wallpapers, so there is no way you can find them anywhere else. I think the app is really good, and if you're a fan of abstract material designed wallpapers, then you should definitely check this one out. It is a paid application, but I do have 30 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Alright, the next app on this list is called Icon Pack Studio. If you really want to step up your customization game, then this is an application for you. The app not only gives access to a lot of different icon packs that are created within the community, but you can also customize and create your own icon pack. You can change the shape, size, color, and even you can add drop shadows to your icons. Once you are done, simply tap on preview and it shows you the icon pack that you have just created. You can then go ahead and apply this icon pack by using any third-party launcher. The best part is, you can also import any icon pack that you have downloaded from the Play Store and customize it as per your preference. If you don't like downloading third-party icon packs and want to create some cool app icons by yourself, then definitely download this application. Moving on, we have an application goes by the name called Touch Bar for Android. Once you set up this app, what it does is, it enables a MacBook style touch bar in the bottom of your screen, so that you can easily control all your settings from anywhere on your phone. All you need to do is, just click on this plus icon, and from here you can easily control the brightness, increase the volume, put your phone in silent mode, and even you can search anything on Google. Not only this, you also get access to some more useful toggles. Then you can send a message in WhatsApp and access your camera as well. I think this touch bar is extremely useful, and by using this application, you can make better use of this empty space which you get in the bottom of your screen. Toggle Track is a simple and a powerful time tracking application that lets you track how much time you have spent on an activity. With this amazing app, you will be able to start tracking your hours and manage your time more efficiently with just one click. I know there are a lot of different time tracking applications available in the Play Store, but the UI of this app is extremely easy to use, and you can easily sync with other platforms like iOS and Windows. You just need to add your work name and then click on start. Then it shows you the actual time you have taken to complete the task. You can also add your work directly to your calendar, and it will remind you to start your task on that particular time. If you want, you can extract your weekly and monthly reports, then you can export them anytime you want. If you are a person who wants to improve your productivity, then this is a perfect app for you. Finally, we have an app called Play Deals. This basically helps you to find the latest app sales and discounts on paid applications and games. Since we don't have enough time to keep checking the Play Store, we often miss out on some amazing deals. But now, this app notifies you whenever there is a sale or discount on your favorite paid application. The UI of this app is simple, where it shows you all the discounted applications on the first page, and you can also filter applications based on different categories as well. Definitely check it out. So that's it for this video. These are some amazing applications that you should definitely download for this month. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.